Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Genmoji in your any iPhone, and also you can create your any emojis you want to create, right? So you guys can see here, this is my Genmoji here, and you can create any type of emojis you want. So the process is very simple. This process will work in only iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the later series, right? So open any of the uh, app which opens keyboard, or you can open WhatsApp, Facebook, and open the emoji section. You will see this little smiley icon there. Click on this one, and here you can create your new Genmoji, which is in the beta right now, but you can create. So here you can create anything, like I would say phone on coffee. There we go. So you can create any of the emoji you want to say. If it didn't work, you will see that it will say try another description. And you guys can see here it's in the beta right now, but you got, there you go, phone on coffee, phone, there you go. So you are getting these types of things, so you can create any of them and send them. So this is a really simple fix. So this is the simple way how you can create any style of emoji, but I'll show you how you can create your Genmoji as I have. As you guys can see here, this is my Genmoji photo. You guys can see here I have created too many photos. So how you can create this, when you are updated on iOS 18.2, you will see this app playground or image playground. You will open this app here, you will see this type of preview. So here you can select your photos. Here you guys can see here you can describe anything to create. You can create on this plus icon to make changes if you want to create animated photo or illustrated photo. You can choose photo by your own going in the photos app here. So I'll select my photo here. I rarely find my photo in my iPhone. So if I choose this photo, let's see what iPhone can make for me. So right now it just shows try a photo, the face more in view, right? So iPhone is unable to do that, to convert any photo like this. I need a kind of a photo which have a full face. So let me select any other photo if I can find, it will be good. I really don't think so if I have any photo. Okay, let's try this photo and let's see what iPhone can make for me. There you go. So Apple created this Genmoji for me. It looks familiar, but it's not exactly same. So you guys can see here, you can create Genmoji like this. So if you didn't find it good, you can just swipe left. Like do iPhone will start creating more and more photos. So anyone you like this, you can click on that photo and iPhone will make that photo here. Here you guys can see it just shows copy, share image, and save image. I'll click on share and save to my friends, or I can click on save image, and that's it. This is the way. And if you want to do any changes, like you can let's say I would say add sunglass. There you go. Let's see what iPhone will do. There you go. So you guys can see here Apple have made these photos. Well, honestly, I like this photo. I can just simply click on share button, click on save image, and this photo will be saved. I want to make sure this photo has been saved in my photos app. So you can see you can create the Genmojis using this trick. So that's pretty much it. This was the whole simple fix. Apple is giving you suggestions that you can do love, adventure, birthday, disco, fantasy, whatever you want to do. So this is the whole simple fix. So that's really good photo. I want to save this. I'll do fireworks also. So how's this? Looks familiar. I would say, okay, I'll still save this photo. That's it. That's the simple fix, and these photos will be saved in your Photos app here. Here you guys can see here, right this. So that's the simple fix. Hope you guys find this matter helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.